We utilized 3 aluminum extrusion belt conveyors to achieve the diversion effect. The diversion design not only improves production capacity, but also prevents the entire production line from coming to the halt if one of the packaging lines stops. As we can see in the receiving section, when the sensor detects a collection of 10 items that fall onto the receiving conveyor belt, it sends a signal to the cylinder. Together with the cylinders, it performs an opening and closing action to align the transported items against the side plates, ensuring that each compartment on the conveyor belt contains the same quantity of the transported items and is oriented in the same direction. This facilitates smoother handling for the packaging personnel. The above is the customized conveyor belt design by Lichen. This conveyor is customized conveyor belts designed for our customers. So if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact